Tiger Lifting Adjustable Angle Beam Clamps. This beam clamp is a semi-permanent, stationary, and premium solution for lifting or suspending from overhead I-beams. They're composed of a set of welded powder-coated jaws that open and close by the operation of a threaded spindle. Once tightened to the beam, the integrated suspension bar allows for installing a variety of fittings, making it great for low headroom applications. Each clamp retains 100% working load capacity if the load angle stays within 15 degrees from the clamp's center line. Our customers use Tiger Lifting adjustable angle beam clamps to lift and suspend in warehouses, machine and fabrication shops, and for general rigging projects. They're available in 1 and 5 ton sizes and are compatible with I-beam flange widths of 2.8 to 12 inches. When it comes to heavy-duty lift points, the Tiger Lifting adjustable angle beam clamp is the premium choice for I-beam lifting and suspension versatility.